Starting a business does not have to cost a fortune. In fact, with the right strategies, you can start with almost no money and still build something successful. The key is to focus on smart, resourceful moves that lets you get started without a big upfront investment. In today's video, I'm breaking down approaches that can build your next business the way I did. By the end of this video, you'll know how to launch your idea with minimal cost, how to get funding if needed, and how to market effectively without spending a ton. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about starting lean. The goal is not to build a perfect product or service right away. It's to test your idea quickly and affordably. A great way to do this is by using no-code tools like Bubble. For just $35 a month, you can build apps, websites, or tools without knowing how to code. Platforms like Bubble make it easy to create a prototype or minimal viable products, which is MVP, to test your concept with real users. Whether it's a booking app, an e-commerce site, or a niche marketplace, no-code platforms remove one of the biggest barriers, which is expensive development costs. Next, if you are worried about not having enough money to scale, consider funding options. One of the principles is to bootstrap your business for as long as you can, but there are smart ways to secure funding when you need it. You can approach friends or family for small investments, or even look for angel investors who believe in your vision. Another option is pre-selling your product or service by offering early access or discounted rates to customers who buy in advance. You can generate the cash you need to deliver your solution. Platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo are great examples for this. Now let's talk about marketing, because even the best product won't sell itself. The good news, you don't need a big advertising budget to start building a brand and generating sales. You can focus on organic marketing using platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Start by posting regularly, sharing content that's valuable to your target audience. On LinkedIn, for example, write posts about the problem your business solves and how it benefits your customers. On Instagram and Facebook, use visuals and video to showcase your product or tell your story. The key is to stay consistent and authentic. Over time, this builds trust and attracts an audience. Another important tip is to document your journey. While you're building your business, share behind the scenes content, lessons you have learned, and even your mistakes. People love following stories, and the approach can help you build a loyal community without spending a dime. So to recap, start simple by using affordable tools like Bubble to build your product without coding. Look into fundraising options like pre-selling or approaching early stage investors if needed, and utilize organic marketing on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to spread the word and build your brand. Remember, starting a business is not about having the perfect setup right away. It's about taking action, learning as you go, and staying resourceful. If this video gave you actionable ideas, hit the like button, share it with someone who is ready to launch their dreams, and subscribe for more tips to help you grow your business. The only thing standing between you and your dream business is your first step, so take it today.